You see, our Telegram signal copier gives you full flexibility to configure keywords in 3 different forms: the signal keyword, update keyword, and additional keyword. And if you're receiving signals from multiple Telegram channels through different providers, you should definitely watch this video till the end, because once you know the right way to configure keywords correctly in TSC, you won't need to keep checking back and forth just to catch a good trade. Signal keyword. So the first part of the setup is the signal keyword, which is basically the copier's signal radar. Start by identifying the words your signal provider uses for the entry price. For instance, if a message says open at 1.2345, then your entry keyword would be open at. Make sure to include all variations if your provider uses more than one, separating them with commas, no spaces. This ensures TSC recognizes every possible signal and doesn't miss any trades. Next, look at the buy-sell keywords. Most providers use standard terms like buy or sell, which TSC recognizes by default. But if your provider uses alternatives like long for buy and short for sell, you'll need to add them here. This step is important because without it, TSC could misinterpret a signal and place the wrong trade. It's like you're teaching the software your provider's language. Then comes the SLTP field, which tells TSC how to manage risk. You need to input the exact words your provider uses for stop loss and take profit levels. For example, stop loss for SL, or TP1, TP2, TP3 for multiple take profits. For market orders, use the keywords that indicate an immediate trade execution, such as now. If your provider doesn't always use the same wording, TSC's AI feature can help. By enabling it, the software can automatically detect keywords from text or even from images. This is especially handy if your provider sends complex messages or screenshots instead of simple text. Update keyword. Once the signal is in motion, the Update keyword section lets you manage trades after the initial entry. Here you can set keywords for closing each take profit individually: TP1, TP2, TP3, or TP4. For example, if a provider sends TP hit 1, you input that keyword so TSC knows exactly which profit to close. This feature is extremely useful because it allows your trades to be managed automatically without constantly monitoring the market. You can also define commands for partial or full closures, or for moving stop loss to break even. Keywords like fully close or move SL to entry give you precise control over your trades. This ensures that even if the market moves quickly, your trades are adjusted exactly as your provider recommends. Additionally, you can set keywords for adjusting multiple take profits or stop losses together. For instance, a move TP2 command moves all take profits in one step, while a move SL2 updates all stop losses simultaneously. And if you want to remove pending orders that are no longer relevant, TSC allows you to delete commands so your account stays clean and organized. Essentially, this section gives you a manual override without actually touching the trades yourself. Additional keyword. The additional keyword is where you can fine-tune special commands and automate extra actions. You can add a layer keyword to re-enter a trade at a new level, or a close all or delete all keyword to quickly manage multiple trades or pending orders. These features are great when signals come in fast and you need to act on multiple trades at once. There are also ignore and skip keywords, which let TSC filter messages that aren't actual signals, like general announcements from the provider or market commentary. This prevents the copier from reacting to irrelevant messages and keeps your trades precise. Lastly, the remove SL command allows you to delete a stop loss if your provider issues that command. This can be useful in strategies where trades are meant to run without a fixed stop, giving you more flexibility while still staying in sync with the provider. Together, these additional keywords make your setup not just functional, but smart and adaptive. And if you still have some confusion left, re-watch the video or leave a comment to share your thoughts with us. Let us know if you have any say about the whole keyword configuration thing. See you on the next one.